think he can be trusted. Why is Dampare not taking action on this? Because Medical's video was an old video, but Dampare took action. So I want to pose this question to Dampare. What has changed? Is Kennedy Agyapong above the law in Ghana? Today, if you refuse to arrest Kennedy Agyapong, then every young man who has a gun or sitting somewhere who thinks that you are being selective can pick the gun and shoot you Dampare in your head because you are not being honest to that person.
I share my about attention to send and send na Tvgh your social media so and send me Tvgh no di pam Kevin Taylor in sembi aba abontin aba fa yen na boye akompre ko Kennedy Agyapong say why de bem yenchi no yenchi de nti na yenchi Kennedy Agyapong ti kuruma yenchi Kennedy Agyapong de why de because what threaten ex-president Mahama into Kevin Taylor say yenchino and I say Kevin so kano ye wo krom ha na bulldog so ekoka nsembi efa ye papa na do dan kwa ekufuado ehun so threatening to his life and nsema ye sense ya chi bulldog nti ya chi bulldog wa nti say ye ne Kennedy Agyapong ensem no akakobo ebra pepe because or ye ex-president Mahama ye ex-president and na do dan kwa ekufuado so current president on so etis 20 obia is not above the law munyina de na yepe we be the corner we so etis 27 so de na Kennedy Agyapong yencho mumienko na mienko ti audio we Kevin Taylor e de abeto abonten say Arrest honorable Kennedy Agyapong
the atene say Ghana Police Service the national security obi kasa yes wan kasa ye nsema wo kan ye no ebetumi de ku aba ye hu face the country convener they be anam referring they forgive me this guy ono aye kwachire aden aye se wakochiro asemi o social media asem na ochiro no na obeso ochire se obeso ye ku now say obi beso ye ku a ensem bi kura wo kan yetumi so pa e Ghana say asem aye wo kan ya ku wo mu nko ade why wadwene se obe ye ku na obi bebusa say de na di ku ba de edi ku ba anase de ema basabasa etumi si wo kurobim a etumi ka se kuaba yetu abanyegu anase yeku nipa we anase di patitiri we ya attack ne ye nsema nipa eka enti se ende no se Ghana government through the IGP said neni abre se nsem bi a nipa bi kano nipa na omo kano ho nte sebio nsem de o kan nda se enyam ensunsuanso na ebi o chinechine benya ensunsuanso enti especially when it comes to the political space se obiji Mike anase obi tna TV so eka se sebio me honorable sebio me penyini amehemra na that means sa nipa no oye nipa bia onim Ghana mra no pa onim dia oka edo beto asemu ena onim dia oka so a emfa wonto asemu enti sa nipa de hunu se sebio na adwiri ko enim e kire bia nipa na bodam ena oba betena wo se me honorable so asem bia meka no minim se meningina so minim se asem ya meken enim enso metuma kama obi ehu akodi adwam. It is very important to say obi de sa bronya this year or yeah regional chairman ma MPP okasa na say bia okan sem bia enim our police front say fake news and I say using statement that would destroy the peace of this nation. I was here to say obi to say bia Kennedy Agyapong what na eye aban mu and why MP for a very long time no okan sama emu edu eche eye obi to say abronye Kennedy Agyapong what na parliament and them no ka say yes committee ehwe security so committee ehwe Ghana abambon ono ene da no that means he is somebody who knows a lot about intelligence statement you can make that can overturn this nation. Kennedy Agyapong as the committee chairman about a year intelligence about security of the nations about how people put news out there or you're very much aware about its consequences. You don't expect the Kennedy betuma can sembia sebio sa some no kind no ne chidom for and the party for and omomo aban mu ebetumi eteki some decision bia ebia some of kind because of that committee and no parliament in a committee ehwe ababom no obi abenhu se ebia asem no ka no ne kura wom enti I was say yeah Secretary Agyapong betina radio so e catch the Ghana for say me and I'm the chairman of the security D&D in parliament. D&D na so obeka say sebio monko na monko hyedan we ya. Obi obeka say Kennedy Agyapong dey brief no. He has been briefed. He knows what he's talking about. He has the intelligence behind him. So if Kennedy Agyapong says say yanko share simesia na se nipa bi ko share simesia, some people might also do it and say Kennedy na kai because ade no on na da eye parliament eye committee ehwe ebambo so. Now the American nyina ko sini say enda yete Ghana yi wan ena ofom mbra entumi ndi no, who is above the law. Wan na ebro emra so ewo Ghana. Why na ende obetuma check say asemesi asem okan ye entwa ye, asemesi asem okan ye twa ye. Because for a very short period, you know, you say police, national security, peke Ghana for sebio ebi kura enye nde no mo kan asem mo kan no, ebi kan some time back. And so yakwa kwachi o mo say asem no mo kan no was sunsanso, repercussions, was some effect be a bet to me destroy Chrono, a bet to me amani pebiu, a bet to me a day, a ya wunti aba Chrono peace no, and to me enya intact. Into intelligence the police of why imagine say, so can in know, so can enroll. Enkrana wo kan Ghana we Ghana ni de o se foul na wo bekyirem e say de ende e frɛ abronye e ma de begina police fo nim say wo se John Mahama ne Al-Qaeda fo e ba ba yeku kyirem evidence be ne kutawo die na ekutawo e kyerɛ sɛ John Mahama ne Al-Qaeda fo e won kutawo die e na mo adwene sɛ o mo ba betu aban agu. So say ene obi wo parliament na also a parliamentarian na Osaya, the head of the security intelligence D&J or parliamentar. Sani panasmo bekano e asembia emuduye. Na question bese mbusane say Ghana ende ebicha embrana na say embrano ende ye hunni be say embran tumi ndi omo na embran tumi edi enkofobi. Ende editorial no a simple editorial say Ghana ni bia etena se no tie na ofemu aba na odwene no ka say eye den na yesi ade Ghana yete no ebi mu kan sem before mu di and ebi mu kan sem a na tata omo ada ebi enipa chen bia na ana dampare na ohwe no osuro eye Ghana fo ni bia na asema ye ka nyina kosi ni say ya chenkofo say o kan sem a ensem a ebetumi de oman we akoduru pempenso bia yentumi emba back as one people. Now remember si ekase obia kakase bia ebetumi mia oman or a kind of language that can actually distract the peace of the nation. Enye se nipa na ka asanonkwa se obi ka se eye omanpanyini oteso ana omanpanyini dada oteso mese no mekuno. It is very, very, very important to say as a nation such statement are free obi to say me Kevin Taylor mini clout mini nipa omudimechi mini position bia of parliament menshemra na a free mra shebedwamni sebio watna parliament for all these years no I was say eya sema ehia the national security and most importantly ehia the IG. Any young man sitting somewhere who is angry because his friend has been arrested, because you Dampare, you are saying that they have made statements, they have actually written things that are fake, that are false. They have really made statements that will destroy the democracy of this nation. They have made some statements that they cannot back. Today, a whole sitting member of parliament, who today in parliament is the head of the security nonsense, he is saying that he will ban the former president on national television. He didn't end up there. He said he's going to ban the general secretary of the NDC. He was going to ban Bevrolate, ban their houses, ban Baba Jamal. And you, Dampare, you are telling me you have not seen this, you have not heard this. You are going after Abronye DC. Make sure Dampare, Abronye, or ya patre, or ya gatemunam, or ya patre enam ni no ho. Nenchien ne bohono. You need meat. You want to eat. You want meat. Big fish. It's Kennedy Agyapong. He is a bigger fish. He is a bigger meat. The men you are arresting, they are tiny, tiny insects. If you want to prove to Ghanaians that you are an honest IGP who is not being selective, if you know you are an honest IGP who wants to apply the law, irrespective of who is in front of you, tomorrow morning, invite Kennedy Agyapong to the Ghana Police Service, to the headquarters, and tell him to provide evidence to us Ghanaians why he said he will ban Mahama. He will burn Asiedu Nketia. He will burn Bevlolate. Because if today Mahama's house gets burned, or today Mahama is burned into ashes, the country will turn over. Everybody will die. Because Mahama is an immediate ex-president of this country. Mahama is still the leader of the NDC. Mahama pulled more votes even than the president you are serving. So what is stopping you, Dampare, from going out there to send a letter to invite Kennedy Agyapong to come to the police headquarters the same way you have invited Abronye DC to tell you, give you the evidence why he said this on TV? Because any day, anytime, any of these people, this guy who is so influential in parliament, so influential in his constituency, so influential in his political party, can go and kill the former president. So it's important, Dampare. This is so simple. He was talking about having evidence, say, Mahama markets. So this is simple for the IGP to do.
Share Attention TV so pamuche subscribe channel no Emma Menana till na share videos across all the social media platforms so enfama me fefefe na mo fa mo comment no embra Emma me na mo like page ne so Emma me sawati ase wa kra mo da se ne yesan we share.